Today, I want to show you how to save a lot of time when it comes to setting up your charts with indicators. If you get tired of going in and placing various indicators that you like to use and then adjusting all the indicators to the way you want them on each individual chart, how'd you like to be able to do that one time and just reuse it over and over and over? Let me give you an example of what I mean. I got Apple up here. Now if I go to indicators and then I go to sets, I have this set. I like these indicators on every chart that I'm trading. This is my default set of indicators. I'm going to add that, and you'll notice I have a customized volume profile here that I don't have to change anymore. I have ATR badges set a specific way I want them. I have a open, high, low, close, previous day, etc. set just the way I want it. VWAP set just the way I want it, and a high, low, moving average cloud set just the way I want it. So here's what it looks like, and RSI, customized RSI, and there we go. Now, how does this save me time? If I overlay, let's say, the volume profile. This is customized, so let's volume profile, and I put the regular volume profile on, and let me shut off mine. You'll notice this is it right here. It's not the way I want it, and the default settings is not what I use. I like to trade extreme. So what I've done was I took the code, regular volume profile, I took the code, got the source, and I copied all this source in, and I went in and I changed basically I changed these settings right here. I changed the percent to 98 and the opacity down to like 30 or so it wouldn't be quite so bright. And I could do all of that individually right here. I could change all that. I could change the settings to 98. I could change the opacity. I could go in and change the colors, profile high, profile low lines, these lines here, and do that on each individual one. Now what I did was I copied the code and I created me a new one, and I just titled it 98. And anytime you have a indicator and you have something you really like, the way you set it up, when you go in there, say I want to change this to 98, and let's say 20 on the opacity. If you'll notice, watch the change here. See how it changed? So through them lines down here to 98 and lowered the opacity. Then I could go right here and I could save that as default. And so when I go remove it, and we'll take this one off. Let's just show this. And I'm going to go back here and apply that, and you'll notice it's changed. The settings remain the same. Now you could do that if you have just one indicator, that you do that every time, then you don't need this video. This is for if you have a bunch of them that you customize. You're saving the settings, saving as default your particular settings so you can reuse it. Then what you want to do, let me go ahead and remove all this. So let's say you have let's give an example. Let's say you got an EMA. And you happen, if I put this on there, I got a blue line. You happen to like a yellow line every time. So we're going to go here and click yellow. And we'll save as default. Click apply. Now watch what happens when I remove it. So I'm going to remove it. I'm going to put it back on now. Whoop. See, now you notice the yellow lines there. Okay, let's say you got that. Now let's say you want the MACD. Also on there. And let's say you want the volume profile on there. And you've customized that how you want it. And you've saved it as a default, your custom settings. Okay. And let's see what else. Let's say you want an RSI. And that's good enough for now for this example. So let's say you want this on every chart that you trade. This is what you're looking at on every chart that you trade. You have all your custom settings saved as default. So now what you do is you go in here and you're going to save what you see right here as a set. And you're going to give this set a name. I'm just going to call this YouTube. And you're going to save it. And now I'm going to remove all of that stuff. And we're going to come in here. And we're going to go to Sets. YouTube. Add selected. Apply. And there you go. You have all your stuff. So if you're doing multiple charts, like I'm a futures trader. I trade multiple products. I'll trade the NASDAQ, I'll trade the ES, I'll trade gold, I'll trade silver, I'll trade crude oil, I'll trade copper, I'll trade platinum. Those are the ones that I like to trade. So I have all their charts. I got chart setting here. To start with, I have a cumulative delta charts with the RSI that I like on one, and I got a set up for this, so it just applies them to it all. And go to the futures, and you'll notice I got what I like to have on the future on the chart side of things, on the candlestick side of things, everything I like as a trading set as well. And I can add all these to each chart with one click, or just add the trading sets, more than one click obviously, but I don't have to go in and pick out each one of these things individually. Now I do have another video to show you how to create and reuse drawing sets. So I'll put that at the end of this screen. So if you want to see how to do that, that's also another time saver. So if you've ever considered trading futures and you don't want to risk your own money, well, there's a way to do that. They're called prop firms. And I trade with Apex Trader Funding, and I'm an affiliate of theirs. And the affiliate link that I have will provide you 80% off of their eval accounts, which means you can get a 25K eval account for $29 and some change. Let me just show you real quick. Go to Apex here. You can use the Rhythmic plan for NinjaTrader, or you can use Tradeovate, either one. But look, these are all their different accounts, and here's a 25K account, $147 a month. That drops down to $29 some change a month. If you use my affiliate link, there'll be a coupon code that will show up at the bottom of this, and you put that in on your order as you're going through. And if you were to blow up your account, you'll notice here to get a reset before billing. Now you get a free reset at billing if your account's blown, but if you want to reset it before your billing, it's $80 for a reset. But if you will not reset your account, just go grab my affiliate link, create you a new account with it, and get your 80% off. Then you're getting the same thing as a reset, except it's a brand new account for $29 and change. So if you've thought about trading futures and you want to do it without risking your own money, you're risking their money. This is the way to go. It's 80% off every one of these accounts that they have. 80% off all of them if you use my affiliate link. Even if you don't want to go check them out, if you'll click my affiliate link, it will help this channel out. I would appreciate it. All right, you guys have a good day.